On 19th February 2021, the District Transport Officer and Secretary RTA R. Hing informed that action would be taken on drivers who overcharge passengers above the fares fixed by the government. Should there be any complaint on overcharging, the office of the DTO would either suspend the license and permit or even seize these documents from violators. He also suggested on providing uniforms to commercial vehicle drivers, meters in taxis, and also the setting up of taxi stands in almost every locality within the city.
Lada ka DTO lada ki pai ba kinwan man complain ba lada ka lap ya kan ja yu tu driver taxi pa
ngin khot ki baro arlian ngin snap ki ege problem jo ki ege complaint jo ki ngin su decide ki dari jia bala betul driver ngin suspend so ege la driving license jo lane ege permit dari kan kita so minna telo dang lapas sen arsen ri la man cancel wat license jo lane wat permit